how to change WhatsApp profile photo. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. This is the WhatsApp settings page. In the settings page, tap on your profile. Here, you can view and edit your profile information such as your photo, name, number, and about information. Now tap on Add Photo. Here, you can select if you want to take a photo, choose a photo from your gallery, or use an avatar as your profile picture. For example, we will select Choose Photo. Here, select a photo from your gallery. Then move and scale the photo to fit the screen. After that, tap on Choose at the bottom right corner. You have now successfully set your WhatsApp profile photo. You can change your profile photo from here anytime. Following these steps, you can easily change WhatsApp profile photo.